fire, you will not be scorched, nor will the flame burn you. When you believe in God, all these things can happen. Reconciliation is also religious. As we pray today, we remember the strong words of our icon Mahatma Gandhi, who said, "Prayer is not asking. It is a longing of the soul. It's a daily admission of one's weaknesses. It is better in prayer to have a heart without words than words without a heart." We have all congregated here to pray, and may we do just that. Pray, pray, and pray. Pray for yourselves, pray for your neighbor, pray for your families, pray for your country, pray for our mother Africa, pray for peace in the world. The Bible in the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 5 verse 18 tells us that God, through Christ, reconciled us to himself and gave us the ministry of reconciliation. So reconciliation is not man-made or woman-made. It actually comes from God. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Article 10 of the Constitution impliedly invokes religion, prayer, and reconciliation when it speaks to social justice, inclusiveness, equality, human rights, protection of the marginalized, integrity, transparency, and accountability. The nexus between religion and the law and governance is very clear and significant. As a parliament, we undertake and commit ourselves to continuously support any government-led reconciliation process within its mandate of oversight, representation, and we guarantee that we will do exactly